This video will guide you through the setup of the BulkSMS Connector in Zoho Campaigns. Go to the Zoho Campaigns link in the description and log in with your account details. Click Settings. Under the Integration section, click the Apps link. You'll be able to find the BulkSMS Connector here. Click Connect to begin the authorization process. This page describes the nature of the integration. You'll need to agree to the terms of service to continue. Enter your BulkSMS account details to continue. If you have registered a sender ID, enter it below. It is best to copy and paste this value to make sure it matches, as getting it wrong will result in your messages failing to send. When ready, click Integrate. Next, we will set up an SMS campaign using the BulkSMS Connector. In the left menu, click Campaigns and then select SMS Campaigns. Click the Create Campaign button. Click Select an SMS gateway and choose BulkSMS, then click Proceed. Next, add your recipients. For this example, we'll use a predefined list. Next, click Configure Fields. Here you'll need to map the country and phone fields. It is important to note that you need to populate the country in your contacts, as this is used to determine the country code. You can click the View Count link next to the selected field. This will show you how many contacts in your selection have a valid country selected. If the number of contacts does not match what you expect, then you'll need to correct the country field on your contacts and repeat this step. You can do the same for the phone field. View the count to ensure you've selected the populated phone field. Click Save to continue. Now for the SMS content, click Configure Content. For SMS content, you can enter your campaign message. You can also use merge tags to personalize your message. Press Ctrl+M to insert a merge tag. Once done, your message should look something like the example. We recommend enabling Send Message in parts, as this will allow longer messages to be displayed as one long message. When ready, click Save. All set up. If you struggled with any of these steps or have any further questions, feel free to reach out to our support team using the email address on the screen.